Now that we are living the time of COVID-19, it is very important to conduct your appointments even more cautiously. Make sure that you and your client are wearing protective wear. Remember that the more arched the brow is, the more feminine it looks. So we're gonna try to reduce that. So, like I said, start from the front, follow the natural hairline. You're just gonna bring it across. Using a skin marker is always good because there's nothing worse than wiping off the numbing and your shape is gone. When I first started microblading, that was always the issue, and then I discovered the skin marker and it truly changed my life. Make sure when microblading, you do a 3-point stretch. And the reason why we do this is so that when you are microblading, the blade glides nice and easily.